Hello everyone, I am here Professor Sheetal Ulgunde from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture. Welcome to the today's session of course number AGH 111, course title Agriculture Heritage. Today's topic is National Agriculture Setup in India. In national setup in India of agriculture, first we will see about ICAR. ICAR stands for Indian Council of Agricultural Research. The institute is established on 16th of July 1929, and the institute formerly known as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research, and ICAR is an autonomous organization under the Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. Next we will see the organizations of ICAR. In this, first one is Union Minister of Agriculture, is the ex officio president of the ICAR Society. Second one, Secretary, Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, and Director General. ICAR is the principal executive officer of the council. Third one is governing body, is policy making authority. Fourth one, Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board. Fifth one, Deputy Director General. Additional Secretary and Secretary, Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor, Assistant Director General, National Director, National Agriculture Innovation Project, Director of Knowledge Management in Agriculture. Then what are the mandate or what are the role of institute of ICAR? First one is plan, undertake, coordinate and promote research and technology development for sustainable agriculture, aid, import and coordinate agriculture education to enable quality human resource development. Third one, frontline extension for technology application, adoption, knowledge management and capacity development of agri-based rural development, policy, cooperation and consultancy in agriculture research, education and extension. As of June 2017, ICAR has following institution under the ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Following institutions are enlisted. 4 deemed universities. First one is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, situated at New Delhi. National Dairy Research Institute, which is in Haryana. Third one is Indian Veterinary Research Institute, which is in Izzatnagar. And Central Institute on Fisheries Education, Mumbai. Then 64 ICAR institutions, 6 national bureaus, 15 national research centers, 138 substations of ICAR institutes, 59 AICRPs, 10 other projects, 19 network projects, 8 zonal project directorate, and Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Then what are the milestones or achievements of ICAR from 1957? First one is initiation of the first All India Coordinated Research Project. In 1958, status of deemed university according to Indian Agriculture Research Institute. 1960, establishment of first state agriculture university on land grant pattern in Ahmednagar. 1966, creation of Department of Agriculture Research and Education in the Ministry of Agriculture. 1973, creation of Department of Agriculture Research and Education in the Ministry of Agriculture. 1975, establishment of Agriculture Research Service and Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board. 1979, launching of land program and the National Agriculture Research Project. 1995, initiation of village linkage program. In 1996, establishment of National Gene Bank in New Delhi. In 2004, awarded with King Baudin Award for research and development efforts made under partnership in Rice Wheat Consortium. 2005, launching of National Agriculture Technology Project in 1998 and National Agriculture Innovation Project. 2006, development of vaccine against bird flu. 2009, policy to provide open access to its research. 2010, ICAR made its 2 flagship journals as open access journal. Then ICAR gives the various awards for the outstanding works by institutions or peoples. In this first one is ICAR Challenge Award. This award is given to institute which find a solution for any immediate or long-standing problem or limitation in agriculture which is coming in the way of agriculture development and or enhancing productivity in any major agriculture, horticultural or animal fish product. ICAR has instituted a challenge award. Second one is Sardar Patel Outstanding ICAR Institution Award. This award is given to recognize outstanding performance by the ICAR Institute, Central Agriculture Universities and State Agriculture Universities. Third one is Chaudhary Devilal Outstanding All India Coordinated Research Project Award. In order to recognize outstanding performance of the All India Coordinated Research Project and its cooperating centers and to provide incentive for outstanding performance in terms of linkage and research output and its impact. Fourth one is Jawaharlal Nehru Award for PG Outstanding Doctoral Thesis Research in Agriculture and Allied Sciences in order to promote high quality doctoral thesis research in priority or frontier area of agriculture and allied sciences. ICAR has instituted 18 awards of rupees 50,000 in cash plus a citation and silver medal, gold polish, each to be awarded annually for the outstanding original research work in agriculture and allied sciences. Then fifth one is Punjab Rao Deshmukh Outstanding Women Scientist Award. All women scientists engaged in research in agriculture and allied subjects or extension in recognized institutions are eligible for this award. Then Vasantrao Naik Award for Outstanding Research Application in Dry Land Farming System. In order to promote outstanding research and application in priority aspects of dry land farming system and water conservation. Then Jagjivan Ram Abhinav Kisan Puraskar or Jagjivan Ram Innovative Farmer Award, national or zonal, in order to recognize the outstanding contributions of innovative farmers for initiatives in development, adoption, modification, and dissemination of improved technology and practice for increased income with sustainability. Following national and zonal awards are announced. National 1 Annual National Award, Zonal 8 Annual Award. Knight N.G. Ranga Farmer Award for Diversified Agriculture in order to recognize outstanding contribution of innovative farmers for diversified agriculture. One annual award for rupees 1 lakh in any of the areas of diversified agriculture is given by ICAR. The next one is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Kisan Puraskar, which is also given at national and zonal level. This award is given to recognize the contributions of marginal, small and landless farmer for developing sustainable integrated models of farming. The ICAR has instituted Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Krishi Puraskar, national and zonal annually. Then Haldar Organic Farmer Award. In order to recognize outstanding contribution of organic farmers, ICAR has instituted award titled Haldar Organic Farming Award. Then Chaudhary Charan Singh Award for Excellence in Journalism in Agriculture Research and Development. This award is given to journalists for print media, Hindi journalism or English journalism or journalism in regional languages and electronic media. For journalism in languages, 4 awards are there and electronic media, 2 awards are there. Then Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad Kidwai Award for Outstanding Research in Tribal Farming System. The award is primarily meant for any person or team with 2 or 3 associates engaged in applied research and its application in tribal areas of the country aimed at improving the biological resources and livelihoods or in original work directly applicable to tribal farming system. The next one is Bharat Ratna Dr. C. Subramaniam Award for Outstanding Teachers. In order to provide recognition to outstanding teachers and to promote quality teaching in the field of agriculture, 4 outstanding teacher awards are given annually. Then Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Krishi Vigyan Puraskar. These awards promote healthy competition among Krishi Vigyan Kendras at zonal and national level for application of science and technology in agriculture. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Puraskar for technical books in Hindi, agriculture and allied sciences. These awards recognize the authors of original Hindi technical books in agriculture and allied sciences and incentives Indian writers to write original standard works in agriculture and allied sciences in Hindi. The award is meant for individuals as well as teams of authors. Then Lal Bahadur Shastri Outstanding Young Scientist Award 2016. In order to recognize the talented young scientists who have shown extraordinary originality and dedication in their research programs, 4 individual awards are to be given annually. Satra Rafi Ahmad 17. Or next award is Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Award for Outstanding Research in Agriculture Sciences. In order to recognize outstanding research in agriculture and allied sciences and provide incentive for excellence in agriculture research, this award is to be given to agriculture scientists for outstanding contribution in specified areas. A total of 4 awards are provided under the award. Then Swami Sahajananda Saraswati Outstanding Extension Scientist Award. The award is exclusively meant for individual extension scientist, teacher, for excellence in agriculture extension methodology and education work. 2 individual awards have been provided. Then NASI ICAR Award for Innovation and Research on Farm Implement. The award is exclusively meant for individual extension scientists In order to reduce drudgery of farm women by development of farm implements and to encourage researchers and innovators to develop farm implements for farm women, ICR and NASI have instituted the NASI ICR Award for Innovation and Research on Farm Implements. Then last award is Hariom Ashram Trust Award for the biennium 2014-15. In order to recognize this outstanding research on long-term problem in agriculture and allied sciences, 4 individual awards have been instituted. Thank you for today.